Hello friends, in today's video I will show you a smart trick to delete extra rows in one table without disturbing the table right next to it. If you have ever struggled with this problem, then stay tuned. You are at the right place. Let's get started. Now you can see in this sheet I have two tables and I want to delete row 6 and 7 from table 1. Now if I try to delete it using conventional means, then you can see rows in both the tables will get affected. Now let me show you the smart way to do this. First of all, select the rows that you want to delete. Let's say I want to delete the row 6 and 7, so I am going to select them. Press Ctrl from keyboard and without leaving it, place your finger on Shift button on your keyboard and then grab your mouse and go to this right corner of the last and then start dragging it upwards. But please keep in mind that you are not supposed to leave Control and Shift button at this moment. Now let's start dragging it upwards. You can see the area will turn green. Okay. Now as soon as you leave the mouse and unpress Ctrl and Shift from the keyboard, the rows will get deleted and the last row will move upward. Here we are, and you can see the second table remained unaffected. So if you like today's video, then don't forget to hit like, drop your comment and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more interesting videos.